How to fix not secure connection on your Chrome browser when you're trying to open any website. It show that this site's connection is not secure. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me into my browser. So guys, when you try to open any HTTP site, like this is HTTP site, if I open it, it show me that this is the connection is this side not secure, it's unsecure site. You not able to open it because I have this is my Chrome browser, and you can see the every site has this is SSL certificate. Every site has, I show you, this is, if this is youtube.com, you can see the youtube.com has HTTPS certificate, and this website only has HTTP. Okay, there is no means there is no SSL certificate installed on this web browser. So if you're trying to open this type of website, maybe it will be dangerous to your information or your computer. Maybe your computer will hack, or maybe there is some critical problem occurs. So I suggest you don't open website like this. So if you still want to open this site, so I will give the two option. First, go to the setting here. Okay, just open the settings, go to the privacy and security here, go to this go to the privacy security, and then again go to the security here, and just always use secure connection. Okay, use before loading. You have to just update navigation to HTTPS to warn you before loading the side of page. Okay, maybe you get this type of connection, you have to just off it. Okay, so I just on it. It's not secure. Okay, so you just off it and try to open the connection. So still I don't I can't open this connection because I have some security settings here. So first try to just off it and try to open. If still there is a problem, you can just off it. Okay, and try to open connection. On another option you can use, go to the site setting and just scroll down, go to the additional setting here and go to the secure connection, and here you have to add this site. Just go here, just select this site, copy it, and just add this site on this. Okay, so it will be add here. Now just refresh it, it will be open. Okay, this site can't be reached, so there is a temporary down, but it will be open if you try like if you use this option. Okay, so I just remove it, so I don't want to. Okay, this site is down, that's why it's not opened. And try these two options, you can easily open this site. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.